Hello and welcome to the Unity tutorial in which I will explain how to set an isometric camera using new Cinemachine 3.0. Shall we? First of all, you need to install a Cinemachine package. You can add it to whatever render pipeline you want, but for our purposes a 3D game project is necessary. You can find a Cinemachine package under Window, Package Manager, Unity Registry, and type Cinemachine there. After that you have to download it and install. It will take some time though. An important thing to remember, now there is a new version of Cinemachine 3.0 and lots of tutorials about Cinemachine 2.0 are no longer actual. Be aware of that and read the documentation if needed. After downloading and installing the package, we are ready to go. I have prepared a little scene here to test our camera out. In your desired scene where player is located, it's important, right-click on the empty space, find Cinemachine and choose Cinemachine camera. We will customize it later, so now standard camera is okay. If you were using the previous version of Cinemachine, it's virtual camera basically. I will name it Isometric camera. Next, we need to add a brain to the main camera, not a literal one though. It should be already here, but if it's not, just click on the add component and type Cinemachine brain. Thanks to that, your Cinemachine camera will take control of the main camera. If you are using a rigid body and you are moving player in fixed update function, set update method to late update. It will help to fix the jittery of the camera. Next, you need to set the position and rotation controls. Click on the camera you've created and find the procedural components. The rotation controls stay the same because we don't want to rotate our isometric camera, but the position control should be set to Position Composer. It will add a new component to the Cinemachine camera. It will also allow us to fix some elements in the camera and adjust it however we want. Let's switch to the game scene. That's how it looks like now. I'll just drop it here. Then take your character object and drag it to the tracking target field. Now your camera is following the player. This one. Just like that. But it isn't an isometric camera. Let's fix that. To make it look isometric, change the rotation to 30 on the x-axis and to 45 on the y-axis. It will do nicely. It will automatically change the angle of the main camera. After that, change mode of the lens to orthographic. You can find it under the lens, mode override, then click on orthographic. And on the main camera, in the projection, find projection and choose orthographic too. You can see how it have changed. Now it looks better, but we can still adjust distance, zoom and of course some nicer things. To make your game looks better, you can also adjust the composer. For example, you might want camera not to move when player is in a certain range. It will prevent from constant moving when the input is really low, especially when the player uses a controller. To do that, activate a checkbox on the dead zone and adjust the size of the dead zone in the game scene view. Or you may use just size. You may also change the screen position, just moving the yellow dot, or you can change it in the composition. I prefer it to be zeroed. And just like that, the camera moves with the player. In the next tutorial, I will help you to make an isometric movement using a new input system. Thank you for watching and happy development!